Strips allow traders to create and manage a sequence of option structures across multiple fixing dates, all within a single pricing screen. They are particularly useful for structured trades such as corporate hedging, where recurring exposures need to be executed consistently over time. To begin, open the Setup panel on the right-hand side of the OTC Pricer. Under Configuration, select Strip instead of Bespoke. Once selected, the interface expands to include strip-specific scheduling controls. In the Schedule Details section, define the fixing frequency, the number of fixes, and the first fixing date. Based on these inputs, the system automatically generates the complete strip timeline, including the corresponding last fixing date. You can further control the structure by manually adjusting the number of fixes or modifying the first fixing date. Overriding the number of fixes allows you to customize the overall strip length. Alternatively, changing the first fixing date enables the creation of stub fixings, where the initial interval differs from the standard frequency. Whenever either field is updated, the system automatically recalculates the remaining fixing schedule while maintaining calendar and settlement consistency. Clicking on Strip Schedule, View opens the detailed schedule window. Here, each fixing date is displayed along with its corresponding settlement date, strike, and notional for every strategy. All values can be edited directly within the table, and settlement dates are automatically aligned to valid business days based on the selected product and cut. The platform also supports multi-strategy strips. Using the plus button, additional option strategies can be added, such as combining a vanilla option and a single barrier option, while following the same strip schedule. Each strategy maintains its own parameters, but all share the common fixing timeline. Indicative pricing is displayed both at the individual strategy level and as a combined total, allowing traders to assess each component as well as the aggregate premium before requesting a price. Overall, the strip workflow introduces automation, consistency, and control to multi-expiry trading. It enables traders to define the schedule up front, manage multiple strategies under a single timeline, and ensure that every fixing is priced and executed accurately within the integrated OTC Pricer environment.